Let's take a look at some of the new features in this release. We made a few small improvements to the file navigation and drafting settings dialog boxes I know you'll like. The file navigation dialogs for Open, Save, Attach, and many others now save the sort order of a column. And the drafting settings dialog can now be resized to better fit your drawing environment. The layer control has been added to the Quick Access toolbar menu by default and can be turned on to display along the Quick Access toolbar with other frequently used tools. We added a right-click menu to the System Variable Monitor icon that displays in the system tray when the system variable has changed. From this right-click menu, you can access the System Variable Monitor, reset system variables, and toggle the display notification. Support for high-resolution monitors has been added. This includes Windows display scaling for common user interface elements such as the Layer Manager, Command Line, Properties Palette, File Navigation dialog boxes, and so on. We enhanced selection functionality to make it easier to select objects that are off the screen. Now when you start a selection, you can pan and zoom to continue the selection window of objects that are off screen. You can turn this off or on using the new Selection Off-Screen system variable. In previous releases, importing a PDF containing SHX text was not fully supported. As a result, the text would appear as individual drawing objects, not as text objects. This made it difficult to edit the text. To solve this issue, we added Recognize SHX Text. Now you can convert text from a PDF file created with SHX fonts to multi-line text objects. We also enhanced the Text to MText Express tool. Now it's a supported command that can be used to combine multiple text objects into a single multi-line text object. We added the PDF Text Recognition Settings dialog box for controlling PDF text settings. Here you can optimize the settings for your PDF text. We enhanced external references to help reduce the issues created by broken reference paths. Now when you attach an external file, the default path type is set to relative path instead of full path. You can change the default path type with the new RefPathType system variable. Now you can assign a relative path to a reference file when the host drawing is unsaved. When you select the reference file in the External References palette, the saved path displays a full path with an asterisk prefix. This indicates that the change will take place when you save the host drawing. The pending relative path property in the Details pane also indicates that the reference file is pending a save. You will also be prompted to update the relative paths if you save the current drawing to another location. The right-click menu offers two new options when you right-click on a reference file that is not found. Now you can use the Open option when you right-click on an unloaded reference to quickly open unloaded reference files. Performance viewing complex 3D models for realistic, shaded, and wireframe visual styles has been improved. Real-time pan, zoom, and 3D orbit on large 3D models is much faster and smoother. Thanks for watching.